Hi, this is Dr. Saxena, and in our segment, what exactly the thing what I would like people to understand, what is the reason behind why are they getting into this chronic health problems, which was never seen before. So you need to start speculating what has changed for so many years, what was there, and what are the new terminologies which has come. Basically this is a awareness program. I think this most of my patients who come to me, they come to me with the patients. They come with autism, autoimmune diseases, various chronic health problems, with cancer also, and they do a lot of homework, and wherein they just somehow they fail to understand what is things which they are doing everything properly. They are trying to maintain their nutrition, they are trying to see that they are walking, exercising and all that, but still at some or the other point there is some kind of things which are not happening. Some things are not getting connected. What are that particular things? What are the things you should look out when you are dealing with some chronic health problems, say cancer or something like autism or something like you all autoimmune problems and all that? I just wanted you people to start introspecting what might have gone wrong, and this is the series where I'll be talking about different things. Today I'll be talking on one thing called electro pollution. When I heard this thing, electro pollution, certainly in my medical college days, I did my BBS in 1995 to 1985 to year 1990. I completed my medicine. I got a license to practice in 1991. But I was not aware of this term called electro pollution. Yes, I think I didn't look into what is that as such. So I just want you people to start looking into this particular thing. I'm talking about the greatest polluting element in the earth. Is the greatest polluting element is the proliferation of this electromagnetic fields, and what has been talked about this particular thing is you have this electro pollution. This induces a biologically toxic electric frequencies into our environment. These frequencies are called electromagnetic radiation, EMFs, EMR or EMFs, clouds up the kind of human body, electrical communications in the human body, and human body is again this is known to cause serious health problems, from diabetes to cancer. Some of the sources from where you get this electro pollution: number one is the cell phone, the number two is the Wi-Fi, and we are talking about dirty electricity in the homes and offices and your schools and other buildings. What is the dirty electricity this talking about? I'm talking about something like fluorescent lights, and I'm talking about something like smart meters also. So these are all the things which are contributing to this thing called electro pollution. And when we look into this particular thing, we believe there was one person was Alfred Poop, and he demonstrated the kind of see, every human body emits vibrations and all that, and you have got a human body has got that kind of curvilinear kind of stuffs which are called and what is happening at that level? What is this electromagnetic frequencies, or what is the electromagnetic radiation doing this particular thing to the your kind of see, there is a cell to cell connectivity. You have got something some signals coming out. What happens is that some things goes for a toss because of this electromagnetic radiation, and let's discuss what exactly I have things to look into that. When I look into someone with chronic health, ailing person, be it a cancer or any particular disease, I would like to know whether this patient has got something like, first of all, we'd like to know whether there is any electric transformer in the vicinity of his home. Sometimes we do see just besides their home there is electric transformer is there. I just need to know whether what is the kind of cell towers which are situated next to his house or something like that. What is there any TV tower which is really, or is there any radio base station is there in that particular thing, and what are the kind of computers the person is using? Is it the desktop, is it land kind of things, and what is the kind of Wi-Fi is he using, wireless connection, what is the kind of vacuum cleaner is he using, or the kind of color television, how many see, these are all things which disturbs this emanates electromagnetic fields. They disrupt some of the frequencies, and I'll be certainly looking if a person has got something like a fridge, which is how much is it close to the bedroom, and and something like microwave. I would like to know what is the kind of electric ovens and all that which are being used. So these are the things which accordingly, and we believe there is something which is this electromagnetic fields emanating from all these things what I have suggested, that causes a kind of a smog with this is called electro pollution. And I certainly believe it's not just me, it's according to leading scientists, this electro pollution leads or is associated with something like cancer. What I told you, everything which is a chronic health problem can be related to this this thing as such, electro smog we call. It affects something like autonomic nervous system. It alters the heart rate. It causes something like fatigue. It causes people they present with depression. There are people present with dizziness. There are people who present with sleeplessness and whatnot. So these are the things which we used to think that this is something like a psychological problem. And definitely they are not psychological. They are derangements in physiological function, which happens because of this electromagnetic radiation, which is this electro pollution. So something which always I keep quoting is this thing called electro pollution, and there are ways we can always look into how to avoid all these stuffs. But if we know we are up against all these things, and you can always work out trying to avoid some things, try to switch off some things which are not always working. So you need to understand this thing called electro pollution. Thank you.